Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's a pleasure to present my work in this conference. Let me introduce myself firstly. I'm Jimney from University of Jijel, Algeria. My purpose is to give a study of possibility of implementing a solar chimney power plant in Algeria, case study Constantine. First of all, I will present abstractly this work offers the opportunity to consider the possibility of designing a chimney power plant in the region of Constantine, Algeria. This region is characterized by important solar radiation source and ambient temperature. Based in actual measure of Constantine weather station for the period of April 2020, the performance analysis of solar chimney, we have 3 times the dimension of Manzaneres prototype bench is carried out using a Fluent software. The obtained results show that when the dimensions of solar chimney are large, the impact of small change in solar radiation is negligible. Also, the study power plant with the dimension of 500 for 8 meter high and diameter of 30 meter and a collector diameter of 732 meter is capable to produce a monthly average of 78 to 269 megawatt of electrical energy. This energy production would be sufficient to meet the need of rural area located in this region. Objective. The main objective of this work is to study the possibility of implementing a solar chimney power plant in the region of Constantine, in which the solar potential is exceptional is investigated. Though our focus is to explore the performance of facility in the after location disposition. Principle of operation of solar chimney power plants. The solar chimney power plant is a generate of power electric from a solar chimney of solar energy. It is based on the convection, natural convection. We have 3 elements essentially: the turbine, the collector, the chimney. Before to go to the result, I would like to present the solar radiation and ambient temperature during the month of April 2020. We have the actual measure with the station of Constantine. And for more investigation of solar, we have present 9 days of April 2020. And we have go to next setup is to present the power production by chimney various time for 9 days. The curve have similar operation to that of the solar radiation. In addition, we can note that the production varies during the whole morning of April from 50 to 500 kilowatts. It should be noted that the large size of chimney power plant, the impact of small variation in solar energy production is negligible. Conclusion. The influence of solar radiation and ambient temperature on generate electricity energy of solar chimney in this region Algeria is studied. The results show laid the following note. The production of electricity energy by the simulated power plant is perfectly related to solar radiation and ambient temperature evaluation. Nevertheless, the effect of the first parameter is much important than the second. The large dimension of solar chimney power plant, the less of change of solar radiation. The generated power of the installation in this region of Constantine, with 3 times the dimension of solar chimney. The Manzaneres Spanish could high from range 270 to 379 kilowatts. This configuration can be display capacity and can produce the leisure electricity and the low in power cost of energy. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.